Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you that how we are going to use the default PDF with the Windows 11. With the latest Microsoft Edge browser you're going to get extra tabs, which is a PDF reader. So I didn't install any PDF software, and also I have no software available right now in my PC to read this PDF file. So let me double click at this PDF. So let's see how this is going to open. So when I'm going to double click, this Microsoft Edge browser is going to open here. So you can see that it's showing me this PDF format. And also you can find a lot more options at the top of this toolbar available with this Microsoft Edge browser. So we're going to start from this setting. When I'm going to click on the setting, you can see we have this pen toolbar. So when I'm going to uncheck this and I'm going to put my cursor over here, so you can see this toolbar is going to hide, so only I can read the PDF, but I can't get more feature or options with this PDF. So let me move my cursor. Now this is going to show up and I need to pen toolbar. And also we have this hide all annotations. If I select this one, so this is going to only hide annotation of this PDF reading. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to view document properties and I can see my properties from here as well. So you can see the file name, the description section, which is file name is under this description. You can find the file size, title, author, subject, keywords, created on, modified on, and also you're going to get the advanced. So you can see this PDF version and also the location of this PDF and also page count, which is only one page, and also you can see the page size from here. So now if I click this one, so this is going to make this full screen. So also we have this save as button. So if I click here, so let me show you which formats we can save. Only we can save it with the PDF, so there is no formats available with this. So if I make any changes, then this save is going to show up, so I can save this. So I can print from here, or I can search over my this document as its PDF. So also I can type a number of the page I can go, and also I can use this zoom in, and also I can zoom out from my document. And the best thing about the new Windows, also Windows 12 is on the way to release. So I think we didn't find it until now, but soon it's going to be available for the user. So this Copilot's also available with the new 12 version Windows. With the Windows 11 you can click ask Copilot, so you can use this document with the Copilot, and also you can read aloud. When you click, this is going to open this Copilot with here you can see this is the Copilot of Edge browser with Windows 11. So if I want to add a text, so I'm going to click and I can simply click at any place in this document, so I can type my word, and I can select this and can change color, or can increase the size, and also you can increase text spacing, and also you can decrease text spacing, and also you can delete. So now the save is going to show up. So if I click this save, so this document going to be saved with this hello text as well. So if I want to delete anything, so here I can delete this text, because we need to click on the text, select the text, and from this button we click and the text is going to be deleted. So if I want to point something for someone's, So maybe you're recording something inside Windows 11 and you want to point something on the image, you want to describe something on a PDF, and you are not on the image. First you have to convert that to a PDF document, then you're going to open it with Microsoft Edge, then you can start pointing or drawing on the specific areas that you want to describe for your document. So now if I click this erase, so I can erase this I can erase all these lines that I made. And also if I click on draw, so you can see that I can change a different color as we did it before. But default, you can only draw the default color that is selected. But if I select different color and I am going to increase the thickness of this drawing, so now if I drawing, you can see now the thickness is now increased, so I can select a different color from here as well. So what we can do here, we can use this as a highlight one, so I'm going to use this and I'm going to increase. So here text only highlights. If I select this one, so you can see there is this is going to use this highlight for the text. So now this is a design, so if you have a text, so the best thing about this is this going to highlight. But if you don't want to not only text to highlight your design, then you can select this one. You can see now I can highlight any portion of my PDF document. And also if I click here, you can see the table of content. You can select your pages that you can view from here. So without installing any softwares, easily you can edit some of your PDF. You can add text, you can point, or you can describe something, and also you can save, and also you can click on the print, so you can print this document. So you don't have to install any PDF reader until you're going to not need it for more editing features. So it's limited, but it's really good. You can use it for different purposes. So I wanted to share this cool thing with Windows 11. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and hope you really like this content. So if you really like this content, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to like and share our content. So see you guys until next video.